Hi, traders. I hope you're doing well on this beautiful Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, I guess. Um, I'm here in the South Beach area, or what is more specifically called South Point. Sorry about that shadow here. Um, but I have been reflecting on, I guess, the last several weeks and what's happened to the world, the coronavirus and its effect on literally tens of millions of people around the world, and reflecting on what is likely to come up over the ensuing weeks. And so I just want this message to go out to all of you, all of my traders, all of my followers. I want you guys to understand that I'm going to be here with you every step of the way. While I can't say that I have experience going through crises um, like the one that we're experiencing right now, but every crisis has its similarities, and they tend to take a path that is very similar to each other. And so, because of my experience dealing with all of these, I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. Now, my message to you right now is I do not want my traders getting, what should I say, just too hung up on any sudden temporary period of relief. This is far from being over, traders. This is far from being over. There will be moves and attempts, and rightfully so, by various governments to prop things up and to give them a temporary boost back to the upside. But that upside movement is not to be trusted. Can we potentially benefit from the upside movement or these brief periods of relief? Yes, we can do that from a short-term perspective, but don't think the turn is permanent. That is the worst thing you can do right now, okay? Any turn, any signs of a potential turn that we see, any signs of temporary or any signs of a solution or move back to the upside is going to be temporary. So you don't take that as serious as the news will likely make you believe, okay? So I just want to let you know I'm here for you. We're in this together every step of the way, step by step. I am not going to fail you. I am here for you. We'll be back at this game tomorrow, guys. Let's get ready. Another dynamic week. Boom!